Yeah, you tuned into the right video at the right time. Listen, so I'm about to tell you a story. Okay, this video was inspired by two people, all right? Two people inspired me to make this video. Now, the first person actually booked a session with me like 2 days ago, and they told me their story, and it went a little bit something like this. So it was this woman, right? She was married to this man. They was in a marriage, okay? But they needed help with their marriage because they was going through some problems. They was going through some spiritual warfare, all right? And so what they did was they reached out to their pastor, all right? Their pastor was counseling them and trying to help them, so-called trying to help them. But she told me, she was like, yo, like, Tren, I can see through people. I can see through deception. You know, I can see through, you know, the way the devil be working. I can see through people. And so I'm like, okay, sis, what you see? She was like, I seen that the pastor didn't really want to help us. And I'm like, well, what happened? And she was like, well, it all started when he told me that he has the power to kill me and he has the power to prosper me. And I was just like, I don't know why he said that, you know. And it was like after that, that's when, you know, I noticed that my marriage began to get worse. And so she was like, what she think that the pastor did was put a spell on them. You know what I mean? She think the pastor put a spell on him and her, okay? Her husband and her. Okay, and that's because, see, what happened to her husband was he went out and started just messing with other women in the church and stuff like that. Like, he started messing with women in the church, and she was telling me how she felt like people in the church was, you know, putting spells on her and, you know, doing black magic or something that she could see, but she didn't really know exactly what it was. But she knew that something wasn't right with the pastor, and she knew that something was going on, you know, dealing with her husband and other women in the church, okay? Now, another reason why I'm making this video is also because somebody sent me an email. Somebody sent me an email, was like, hey, I be seeing your videos, Tren, and I just want to tell you, you're not in the right state of mind. Something is not right. I can see straight through you. You have black magic that's put on you, and if you need any assistance, you can reach out to me, and I can help you. My prices are really low. So I'm like, what? I'm like, what? So listen, this is why I'm making this video. I'm making this video for the very reason like this, because I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. Black magic is real. You know, people casting spells and doing rituals, it's all real. All right. This is some of the lowest. This is the lowest thing that people can do to get back at you because they don't know what else to do. And if you are a chosen one, which I'm assuming you are, if you are still watching this video, people that do witchcraft and black magic towards people, the people that do this always have to do this for people that are chosen. You know, people that don't let nothing get to them, people that they see continue to be great, that it's not affecting them, like nothing affects you or whatever. If you're that type of person where you don't let nothing get to you, okay, day after day after day, you're continuously progressing, you're continuously getting better and greater, you're continuously making more money, you're continuously being smart and super intelligent, you are the target, right? So if you are watching this video and you feel like somebody has a black magic spell on you, stay tuned to the end of this video because I got something very special for you, all right? Now listen, this is what you need to know. This is what you need to know. The people that's casting these spells on you, at the end of the day, it's going to come back around and go on to them, all right? See, you're not like an average person. You're not the average person. You're not the type of person where you're like, okay, this spell, their spell is working on me, okay? It's working on me. They doing spells on me. It's working. I can feel it, but you already know in the back of your mind, it's like something that you're going to get over. Like, you don't know how long it's gonna go till, but for some reason in the back of your mind, you're like, I'm going to get over this. Like, I'm going to get over this. This is not the end. This is not going to stop me. Okay. As a chosen one, you're going to have many people that plot on your demise. All right. There will be many people that want you to fail. There will be many people that want you to be killed. Okay. As a matter of fact, they will put out hits on you. But see, this is nothing that you will ever know behind closed doors. See, this is all spiritual. Okay, this is spiritual stuff. That's why you probably feel like different negative energies like hitting you all throughout the day. Everywhere you go, you feel like some negative energy is trying to come into your mind, or you feel like people is gang stalking you or something, like people is following you and all this and that. The reason why all this is happening is because on the spiritual level, you have a high level of energy. Okay, you are extremely anointed. Okay, and what the devil like to do, the one thing about the devil is the devil don't like to be exposed, folks. Okay, the devil don't like to be exposed for who he really is. Okay, so if you come around people who using black magic and curses, when they see that you can see they devices, when you can see they manipulation, you can see they tricks. Okay, the only thing that they know how to do in order to bring you down is to use spells against you. Is to use black magic against you. And see, this video ain't for Christian folks. Okay, this video ain't for Christians. Okay, so if you a Christian, don't comment below of your opinion or your mindset, because we all know how y'all feel. All right, this is not for Christian folks. All right, this is spirituality. This for spiritual folks. I'm a spiritual person. I'm not a part of the religion doctrines. Okay, so this is not for Christian folks. Okay, but anyway, back to what I was saying. See, the one thing you got to understand about these spells and these black magic and stuff, it's dark, it's sinister. You can be in the vicinity, you can be at a place, right? And everybody see that you got that glow. They see you got that glow. Everybody can see that you very special. They can see that you stand out from everybody else. See, when you go out in public places, see, people is looking at you to find out if you got that energy or not, okay? That's what everybody's seeking. Everybody's seeking who got that good radiant energy so that they can cling on to. And so when you go to a spot, all right, when you go to a place, you go to a family meeting or something, or you go to the library even, okay? If you step foot in these places where there's a lot of people around, a lot of different energies around, once people pick up on that you got that chosen energy, that you are so different, okay? You know, that you are so addictive, okay? To the point they can't stop looking at you. They can't stop thinking about you. This is when people begin to cast black magic and spells on you. This is when people begin to plot on your downfall. This is when people start to feel like they're gonna rob you. They're gonna rob you of your joy. They're gonna steal your happiness. This is when people want to do malicious things to you. Why? Because they know you've come on the scene and they know they are Decepticons. They already know they Decepticons. They already know they evil people. Okay? So when you come around, you got these angelic-like energies coming around. They are exposed. Okay? They feel like it's judgment day. You understand what I'm saying? So they don't want you around at all. So what they will do is they will go completely against you. Okay? They will have complete aggression towards you. You ever wonder why you ever wonder why you meet some girls, right? And it's like you do all the great things for them. You take them out, you treat them, you buy nice things, you take her to places that she never been before, but for some strange reason, she just have a temper tantrum with you all out the blue. Okay, she just go completely against everything you've done. Now, mind you, you treated this girl to your utmost respect. All right, you gave her your attention, you gave her your time, you gave her your shine, you've given her some of your hard-earned natural resources. But for some strange reason, she still flips the script and turns into an angry woman really fast. Why did this happen? See, the reason why it happened was because you too good for her. You actually exposing her more than she feels good about what you're doing for her. People don't like to be exposed for who they truly are because people don't like to face the truth. Okay, that's one thing you got to understand about these people that's casting these spells on you and doing this black magic on you. They mad at you. The reason why they got these spells and trying to put these spells on you is because they mad at you because you have come for them to face the truth. It's judgment day for them, and they don't want to face the truth. They want to go down and smoking guns. That's why they want to have a battle with you. That's why they want to battle with you. That's why they want to fight you for no reason. That's why they don't like you for no reason. You ain't even said nothing yet, and all of a sudden they don't even like you. That's why they trying to pick fights with you. That's why your girlfriend just got some type of feeling towards you because you make her feel like some kind of way when you come around because she can sense your glow. She know that you natural. She know that you authentic. You too real for her. She's not ready to be real yet. She still want to carry this fake ass image. She still want people to believe that she got it all together, but she really don't. So when she get around you and your realness and you being the person that you are, really authentic, really genuine, down to earth, humble, okay, that does something to her spirit. She don't like that. That's why she throws flares up at you. That's why people be acting funny towards you, okay, and you wonder why they doing this, and you know in your heart you ain't did nothing wrong to them, okay? You be knowing deep down inside your heart you didn't do nothing wrong to this person, but why do they want to treat you so bad? The reason why they want to treat you so bad is because, like I said, they don't want to face the truth, okay? If you watching this video to this point, the truth is in you. Because any fake person, any Decepticon that was watching this video would have been done clicked off this video a long time ago, okay? Even after the 2 stories that I told, they would have been done clicked off a long time ago, okay? So if you're the type of person, you attend church, you can attend church regularly every Sunday, all right? You can be a part of some type of committee or something to make something positive, make a cause for a positive change, okay? There will be people inside of this church, and there will be people inside of this committee who don't really got the same intentions as what the committee does. I'm telling you, these Decepticons are everywhere. They everywhere. And see, what people do is they disguise themselves as a good person, okay? They act friendly for 2 or 3 days. And then you find out their true colors when you finally get on that third day. You say, oh my God, like they changed completely. That's because the whole time they was Decepticons, okay? The whole time they was doing evil, nasty things behind your back. They was just wanting to get close to you they was just wanting to get close to you so they can extract information out of you, okay? This is what it's all about. It's about deception, okay? If people can fool you and get you to a location, all right, they can fool you and get you to a location to do something dirty to you, to do something bad to you, because they heard through the grapevine you was the chosen one, right? They heard through the grapevine you was the chosen one. So what they'll do things like they'll call you to get you to a place, get you to a restaurant. You get there to that restaurant, you find out your worst arch enemy is there, okay? Or you get to this place and they jump you, they beat you up, okay? Threaten to kill you, whatever the case may be. Why did they do this? Because they had to deceive you. That's what they do, okay? So they using black magic and spells. They trying to deceive you. See, what they trying to do with this black magic that they got on you, if it's on you, what they trying to do is they trying to make you forget who you really are, all right? They know who you are. They know you the chosen one, okay? They know you got a divine purpose. They know you got a purpose and a vision for your life. They know can't nothing touch you. But see, what they want to do with this black magic is they want you to think that what they doing to you is real, okay? But really, they trying to trick you. They want you to believe that they deception. They want you to believe that they magic, that they can do it. They think they magical or some shit. They think they Tinkerbell. They want you to believe that they little wine and what they doing behind closed doors to you will work on you, because it ain't nothing else that they could do that they have found that works. So if they can get you to believe in their deception, if they can get you to think that they've done something bad to you, okay? See, that's what they want to do. They want to control your mind. They trying to control you. They trying to control you in your mind. And so if they can get you to think that they are deceiving you, if they can get you to believe that they tricks is working, if he can get you to believe that he do got a lot of girls and you should bow down to him and praise him and worship him because he can go to another girl at any time. He trying to get you to believe that the girls want him like that. But don't nobody want him because they know who he truly is. They know he a Decepticon. But see, he trying to get your low self-esteem real low. Okay, he trying to get you to believe that he got it all going on, but really behind closed doors he broke. He beating off of other women. You know what I mean? He taking money from other women, and then he coming back in your face like he got it all together, like he doing really good. No, he been cheating on you. He been messing with other girls that's giving him money because they so easy. Okay, that's giving him money, and then he come back in your face, and then he show you, hey, look at me and look at you. But he using other people's money in order to look good. He using the resources of somebody else to make you think that he got it going on, but he don't really got it going on. Listen, I'm trying to tell y'all the truth of what's going on with these Decepticons, man. Listen, I ain't saying this for my health. Listen, if you feel like somebody has cast a spell on you, if you feel like somebody's doing black magic on you, you will know it, okay? You will know it. See, most people that have other people casting spells or whatever and stuff on them, they don't know it. They fall victim of it. They become they become the prey. They become the prey. They get into the accidents. These the ones that's really dying. Okay? But if you a chosen one, it don't really harm you like them. Okay? It don't really, but you know it. You become aware of it. Okay, you can see it. You can see through the smoke screens that these Decepticons put up. You can see the games being played around you, but see, they don't think that you see it. Okay, they don't think that you can notice what they doing behind closed doors. But see, when you first meet them, you can read straight through people like a transparency sheet. You can see through people before they even start talking, because you the chosen one. All right. So I'm just making this video to tell you. This. Everybody that if people tried to cast a spell on you, if they did, it's gonna turn around and it's gonna backfire on them. If you watch this video to this point, this is the confirmation that you've been waiting on. Okay, that black magic that you feel is on you, it's gonna turn around and be their karma. Because see, like I told you, because you different from everybody else, they don't know you the chosen one. See, everybody ain't chosen. Everybody ain't a diamond of all the rocks. Okay, you the diamond, you the chosen one. And see, the black magic is not gonna work on you because you the chosen one. It might work on him, it might work on her, it might work on them, but it doesn't work on you because you can see through the illusion, you can see through the deception, you can see through the smoke screen, you can see through the trickery, you can see through the toxicity, you can see through the negativity, you can see through the smile, you can see through the clothes, you can see through the hate. You can see through the designer gear. You can see through all this fake shit that they got going on. They're trying to make you think that they got it all together, but they don't got it all together. We know who they are. We can see them for who they truly are, all right? Because we the chosen ones, all right? Now, I told you, if you stay tuned to the end of this video, your big brother Trenius got something very special for you. Like my young lady who gave me a call about her husband. She booked a session with me. If you feel the desire to talk to Big Brother, make sure you book a session right now. Don't hesitate. Go to the very bottom in the comment section. Click that link where it says book a session with me now. Okay? Or if you need a reading, okay? If you want me to read somebody that you're dealing with and you kind of skeptical about this person, now you probably got all love for this person. You probably think that everything is right about this person, but you sense something ain't right behind the scenes and you need me to read this person. I'm very good at that. I'm very psychically intuitive, okay? So this is your big brother. Make sure you get in contact with me right now. Schedule an appointment, book a reading with me by clicking that link in the comment section right below, and I'll be calling you on your phone today, all right? This is your big brother Tren. Just giving you the confirmation that if they did put black magic on you, if you think somebody got a spell on you, it's gonna turn around and it's going to be on them. They have cursed themselves for trying to curse you because you are the chosen one and you can never be stopped. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next videos. Peace.